Hey guys, and welcome to another Laura and Nicolas video. So we are in Bali and we are staying at one of the original bamboo houses. I'm sure you've seen it all over social media, but we are staying at Camaya, which is in Sideman, an untouched area of Bali, overlooking the rice paddies. It's absolutely incredible. They actually have about 6 different villas. We are staying at the Butterfly, which is actually one of the most famous houses, I think, because it even has a private cinema, which we will show you later. So yeah, let's start this beautiful tour. Make sure to subscribe because tomorrow we're actually changing to another villa called the Pyramid, and we might film a tour of that as well. Now let's show you around. So when you enter the villa, you will see that it has this incredible view and this beautiful outdoor area, which is actually divided in a few different parts. So you can take these stairs down where you have a little seating area and where they can turn on the bonfire for you in the evening when it gets a little bit more chilly, or you just want to have like a cozy evening. And then when you step up here, you have these nets that you can lie in and just relax and chill. And then right in the middle there is a jacuzzi and a plunge pool. So it actually has cold water, but if you turn on, like push on a button, it heats the water. It takes about an hour, and then it's actually a jacuzzi, so that's really cool. Right now it even has rose petals in them, which is like a Balinese tradition, so they do that on arrival. So yeah, it looks really beautiful. And then on the other side you can also take the stairs down into the garden where you have a hammock, so that's like another little spot to just relax and have a look at the beautiful rice paddies, the beautiful view. So by the way, this area called Sideman is actually on the east side of Ubud. So to give you a little idea, it's about like 1.5 hours, 2 hours from the airport, I would say. So that way you have like an idea of where it is situated. It's really worth the drive though. And then now let's show you the rest of the villa. So here is a seating area. They actually have all these menus here for like lunch, dinner, breakfast, so you can have like the whole time room service. There's actually a WhatsApp number. You can just add them and be like, okay, I want to have this or that for lunch or dinner, and they just bring it straight to your villa, which I think is a really amazing feature. But you could obviously also dine in the main area. And then now let's take you inside. So the villa actually has 2 bedrooms. We are only using one, but we'll show you both of them because they do have a few different things, although they're quite similar. So as you'll see, it's very open, so it actually doesn't even have windows in the front. You just have curtains over here, so you have to be aware of the bugs and not leaving lights on in the evening so you don't attract them. There's also obviously a net surrounding the bed to keep the bugs and insects out. And there's not air conditioning, but they do have fans, like multiple fans spread out over the villa. What's really cool is they have like an upstairs seating area as well, so this is like a relaxed place where you can just relax and read a book, because underneath here there's books. You will see on the other side as well, because there's more there. Also because internet connection can be unstable in like the rural areas like this, so you can even ask them for board games, which I also think is nice. Like, it's a good time to just disconnect. Then here there's a hairdryer, there's slippers, there's even yoga mats as well, so if you're into yoga you can just do some yoga here with the view, which is nice. Then these are bath robes. They're nice and warm. We don't need them now because it's super hot. Then here is a very large full-length mirror as well. And then now let's take you to the other room. The other room they actually prepared with a rose petals. So as we said, they do love in Bali to like prepare special things for you, which is nice. So yeah, so this is our bed. As you will see, this is very similar to the other room. Both has these incredible views overlooking the rice paddies, which is really nice. I think the only thing that's a little bit different is that we got some kimonos in here, so really good for the hot weather. Yeah, and you have like your towels, umbrellas if it will be raining. And again, you have this seating area here up here, and you can just actually access it with these little stairs. And what I didn't show you in the other room There is some closet space underneath, so on both sides, where you can put your luggage inside or your clothes. And now let's show you the bathroom. We are going to keep the movie theater for the end because that's like the best part. Okay, so this is the entrance of our bathroom. These are the stairs that we're going to take up later for the private movie theater. But before we enter the bathroom, there's one more thing I want to show you, and that is like our little water station, tea making facility station area. So you have like tea and coffee and everything. Over here, there's always like drinking water, so it's filtered water. You have a little kettle over here if you want to make tea and coffee. And just in here is a small fridge, so you can like keep your own beverages in here or just like put your water in there to keep it nice and fresh. Now it's actually time to show you the bathroom. So it opens like this. So this is a bathroom. I really love it. I think they really did a great job with like the natural stone and have those luxurious touches in a bamboo house. Like they even have these beautiful hand washes, hand lotion, beautiful glosses. I think it's like a really cool outdoor bathroom. Now I'm going to show you a really cool part. We have never seen this before, and we stayed in so many hotels in the world. Look at this. There is a double toilet. So Nicolas and I can just each use a toilet and just like have a little chat. I think this is really cool. Okay, now let's show you the outdoor shower. There's a long path to the shower, so come on a little walk, and over here you can find a real jungle shower. This is incredible. You really feel like you're in the jungle. Just incredible. But now, are you ready to see the movie theater? Let's go. We now made it to the upstairs area, so the private movie theater. Obviously you can just use it to relax as well. You don't have to watch a movie, you can just watch the sunset. So you have an incredible net as well here where you can just sit on, lay on, and you overlook the rice paddies and even like our terrace downstairs. You can see from here as well, and like our little pool and everything. But now if you turn around, if you're like sitting in the nets, you have a movie screen over here. So they have like tons of movies that you can choose from, and then you get these headphones that you can just put on so you don't like make noise for like the whole area. So you could just put these on and just relax and watch a movie. And then on this side as well, you just have extra relaxing area if you want to sit there to watch a movie, because if you don't feel comfortable or for whatever reason you want to sit in the hanging nets. But I think this is just like a really cool and very unique thing that we haven't really seen before. But I think this concludes this beautiful butterfly villa, and tomorrow we're staying in the pyramid villa, so we're really excited to see what the differences are and what features they have. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that and all our other videos about like all these incredible places to stay in the world. We'll obviously link this place in the description below. We'll see you in the next one.